students, today we will start second lesson, our environmental problems. Environment, it is our surroundings. In our surroundings, we will find both living things and non-living things. Environment, it is a source of life, not only for us, but for all the other organisms. In ancient times, population was very less and the human activities are eco-friendly. And human beings, they are worshipping the nature. But with the increase in the population, development of science and technology, urbanization, developmental activities, slowly the environment started degrading. This contaminated air, water and land that has caused imbalance in nature. Causes of destruction of ecosystem. What are the causes of destruction of ecosystem? Population growth, urbanization, industrialization, transportation, mining, wars and construction of dams are the causes of destruction of ecosystem. Now, how the population growth has degraded the environment, or what are the impacts of population growth on the environment? With the increase in the population growth, the demand for food and shelter increased. To fulfill the needs of food and shelter, they started converting the productive land like forests into agricultural lands. So that has reduced the forest cover and that caused habitat destruction. And generation of waste increased. With the increase in the demand for water, water level has been depleted. Infrastructural activities like roads, industries, malls, educational institutions and other infrastructural activities not only acquired the productive lands like forest and agriculture lands, but it has transformed the natural green land mass into polluted land mass. Population not only harms the environment but also for human beings it will create unemployment and housing, insufficient housing will be there, and healthcare services will be affected, and even educational services will be insufficient. Urbanization. The migration of people from rural areas to urban areas for a better job opportunities and for a better life is known as urbanization. So how urbanization affects the environment? Loss of habitats, consumption of energy sources will be increased and pollution levels will increase, and especially the development of sprawls will yeah, increase, or development of slums will also increase, and that has resulted in water and food shortage, and poor sanitation especially in slum areas has increased the diseases, spreading of diseases, and unemployment increases due to poverty and illiteracy, and even unemployment has increased the crime rate. So impacts of urbanization. So the temperature of the city has increased and it has altered the weather patterns, and the runoff of water has been increased, and the quality and aesthetic beauty of the urban areas has been decreased. Industrialization. So setting up of industries to fulfill our needs has resulted in the has increased the pollution levels. So industrialization has degraded the soil, water and air also. As industries acquires the land, so the for setting up of that industries, that uses the productive lands, and if forest covers are used for setting up of industries, that results in the loss of biodiversity, and industrial effluents without treating them if directly released into the water bodies, that will pollute water, and the contaminated water will causes organ failures in human beings, and it may cause birth defects. And excessive release of carbon dioxide has increased the temperature of the earth, and that is called as global warming. And the air pollutants, if it contains oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, they precipitate with rainwater and forms acid rain. And acid rain, it will degrades the environment, it affects the growth of the plants, and even it affects the historical monuments made up of marble also. And carbon monoxide, if it is inhaled, it reacts with hemoglobin present in our body, and it forms carboxyhemoglobin, and it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. So this is how effluents from the industries will be released directly to the water bodies, and industrial waste, if it is dumped on the land, that will degrade the land, and the gases, the like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon monoxide will causes some problems to the human beings and to the environment. Transportation. With the increase in the number of vehicles, pollution levels also increased. So mainly these pollutants causes respiratory related diseases, and carbon dioxide, the amount of carbon dioxide, if it is increased in the atmosphere, so it leads to global warming. And the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen causes acid rain, and especially these gases causes smog in winter season also. And with the increase in the usage of vehicles, even the using of fossil fuels also increased, that has resulted in the depletion of fuels. And even these gases causes redness of eyes and some skin allergies. And for the construction of roads, bridges, and other things, so that bridges, railway tracks, etc. So it has reduced the forest cover and agricultural land. So that has resulted in land degradation and the loss of habitats. So this is how the pollution levels increased in the city. So especially in a Delhi, in a city like Delhi, it is more, not only it will degrades the air, but also the smoke, it releases air and land also. So according to Health Effect Institute, so nearly the influence of these pollutants will be 300 to 500 meter from the roadside, but in New Delhi, more than 55% of the people will live in that influence the area zone only. So mining activities. For the extraction of metals from the ores or minerals, these mining activities will be carried out. So when extraction of minerals will takes place, so it will affect the land, land or soil, water and air. So definitely the first one, the mining clears the vegetation and the forest on a larger scale. It clears the forest and vegetation on a larger scale. So that causes a huge loss of flora and fauna. So dumping of mining waste leads to land degradation, and that may causes ecological imbalance, and it may reduce the aesthetics of the area, and it contaminates the groundwater and surface water, and the pollution levels increases, and that results in the loss of habitats. So this is how mining, it is the extraction of minerals, and this one, so it will pollute the water, it mainly, and when mining activities carried out, so it will pollute the air, and it will carry away the top layers, top fertile layers of the soil. So in that way it leads to land degradation. So by this we come to the end of first part of our environmental problems.